In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add social media icons on Shopify. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to add social media icons on Shopify. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. Let's make your Shopify store more engaging by adding social media icons. You'll want your customers to easily connect with you on various platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and more. I'll walk you through the simple steps to integrate these icons seamlessly. To begin, log into your Shopify account and navigate to the Online Store section. Click on the Customize button next to the store you're working on to access the editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the theme settings. Click on it, and a list of customizable options will appear. Locate the Social Media section and expand it. You'll find fields where you can enter your social media links. Simply copy and paste your social media profile URLs into these respective fields. For instance, you can add your Instagram profile URL and your YouTube channel link to your Shopify website. There are also options available for Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat, and more. After adding your links, click on the Save button to ensure your changes are saved. Preview your website to see how the social media icons appear. These icons will typically be displayed at the bottom of your website. Test the icons by clicking on them to verify that they redirect to the correct social media profiles. For example, clicking on the YouTube icon should direct to your YouTube channel, and the Instagram icon should lead to your Instagram profile. And there you have it. Your Shopify store now features social media icons, allowing customers to connect with you across various platforms. If you're interested in trying out Shopify for your e-commerce needs, click the link in the description to get started. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more useful tutorials. Your engagement means a lot to us and motivates us to produce more content like this.